Timo. The item. Kaya mo to Rich.
Sarap ti.
Ice. For the face. Ice back. And let's see what is this. Ilagay mo dyan ang ice. And next, emergency charger. I got this one before. I lost it. May mga USB, Apple, Smart, and everything. Dito ka na, Rich. Okay na na? And microphone. I got that for, no, I bought that. That's not free from Timo. This is, naman ko na, I lost it when we went to Armenia. I lost the charger. Yes.
Agree tong kuan bi? Ano to yung headset? Be excited.
Wait, this is the speaker. Speaker thingy.
Hala, cute. Tikit ko
When you want to put somewhere when we're talking you and me and you have yours.
Vlogger ka.
Yes.
Okay ra mo. Story.
Okay.
Voice out na yun. Hala, cute ko yun.
That's not free. I bought that. This panty free from Timo. That is for free also from Timo. My goodness me, the panty is too. Oh, perfect. I got this panty free from Timo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 6, 8. Uy, 8 pieces pala to.
Pila natin?
I got this for free too.
Free rin na. Nice kitty.
This is free from Timo. Another free from Timo. Panty. 8 pieces.
Ang sabi? Siyaon kayo.
And next one, I bought this from Timo. This is ay, Jesus Christ. This is for Sonic. Mini clean machine like Sonic for gold and everything. You can just put it here.
Check out for what si J Amiga BA piskot pag kuningi ko ni
that I bought this one.
Itagay ko link ani panty ni mo.
Yes, and I got this for Timo also. Philips. I got this for free. Free.
Dali ate. Demanding ang viewer.
Let's see, this is free. Philips. I got this for free also from Timo.
Ano binduti? Iba di mai mo 150. Dugang kay kag-free. Masuya pa ito.
This is, that's it, look.
Look how cute.
Very pretty.
Palitan tayo mas Kuya Jun.
Naman siya airpad.
Naapod siya. Ay no, nakumpod na.
Hello, nice kayo.
Nice kayo no. Ginan bitaw tika.
See?
Nice kayo itong Ate Divine.
Nice
ko ayo.
I got this for free, Philips. Original price is 300 something dirhams.
Excited kayo dyan ang biti.
And I bought this one.
I
don't know why.
Maskin pag dili mong gaya ni original. Nice.
No, the original siya kaya siya price this to Rich. That's original. Oh my goodness me, I'll be the original vlogger. For video. When we will go fishing. We will go fishing. This is video cam. When we will go fishing. Oh my goodness me, I don't know what to do. This one, I bought this one. I think it's, look, we completed Rich. Look, for vlogging. Vlogging thingy. Look. While we fish, we need to use this.
Unbox na may isa dali.
Oh,
nice kaayo yung order.
Gusto din yung ipang order. Okay. Thank you a lot.
Asya ani pa lang yung palit siya.
I got the free. I got the free. This is all 130. 130 excluding this. This is free and this is free. And my panty. This ice pack for the face. You need to put it in the fridge. Freezer. Then this one. Thank you very much, Timo. Thank you so much. I bought this all for 130.
Wala, ang baka nagyaw-yaw, no? Kaibus, ay, pamagyapo na mo.
Ako man siyang usbon ang uban. Ako nang hinayon din. Okay. Thanks a lot, Timo.